Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Let's see which stocks will be trading tomorrow and what's the logic behind it. The first stock is Bata India. Bata India, if you see, this is in a up move with formation of lower highs, and it is moving steadily upside. Okay, and now one more thing which has to be noted, that this level has been tested multiple times, and also it is nearby this 1400 level. So chances in tomorrow's session are it can give a sharp move towards this side, and it can even go and test its level previous high on maybe not tomorrow. The previous high can be tested, but in coming days also the previous high can be tested. So in tomorrow's session this will be a buy, so because the momentum can continue. Next one is Divis Lab. Divis Lab is to sell. If you see, last time here we had given to sell, but it opened gap up and then never came at our level to sell. Similarly, there was one more place where I had given a sell. I think this was the level. Again, it opened gap up and it never came back to our level. But now, if you see, the scenario is little different. It has made a huge red engulfing candle, and also there is a small trend line which has broke and also closed below it. Okay, now it has closed below it. Now, one more thing which you have to see is it has closed below 3100. So if it goes below 3090, it can give a sharp 20-30 points at least in the first session very easily. So we'll target that in the selling direction, because there is a huge negative move, so it can happen. Or else, one more thing which you can notice, tomorrow it can make a small candle here, and then after that it can give a move. So keep in your mind, maybe not, if not tomorrow, day after tomorrow will be a very big day for Divis Lab. Okay, next one is IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank, if you see it, after a good up move, there was this downfall and then V-shape recovery, almost a V-shape recovery, and then there was a consolidation at the same level. It has not gone much down or much up. It has been in the same at the same level. Now, if you see, there is a buying momentum, and it has been there for this very long time in this range. It can break this and it can give a good move if Bank Nifty moves up. So this will be a good buy for tomorrow's session. Next one is PEL. That is, if you see here, one thing which you have to note, there was a big fall previously and then a small recovery, then a little smaller fall compared to the previous one, and then recovery was almost at the level 80%, and then now the fall has reduced even less, and then now there is a small recovery. So chances are that this time it might break both the highs and it can move. So in tomorrow's session, what we'll do, we'll plan at least for the target of 1350, or else even higher. But it will be a good entry in buying side for in tomorrow's session for PEL. Next one is Titan. If you see, after Titan is in a good uptrend. Okay, from the fall, market crash fall, what we call it, it is in a good uptrend. Then even after that, after this consolidation, it broke and then it come back to the same level. Now it is returning. So chances are that in tomorrow's session, this buying momentum can happen and it can give us a good move. So we can expect a good move in Titan tomorrow. Now let's see what we will do in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So what was today's plan? Today's plan was, if it opens or it comes at this level, a little bit gap down, or comes at this level 11,730, we'll be selling happily. And also in Bank Nifty, if there is a selling price action, we will sell it happily. And for buying, we'll not go with the full quantity, we'll go with 25% of the quantity, which we usually do. Okay, that was the plan. Now what happened, it opened gap up and we went for a buy and we got some good profits here. What can we do tomorrow? Tomorrow, if you see, there are two scenarios that can happen. Okay, if it opens slightly gap down or flat and it market comes down, okay, Nifty can come down nearby 11,800 level and Bank Nifty at 24,000 level. Okay, if it comes here and then shows a buying move, if it shows any buying price action, then I will happily buy. Again, here the quantity will be less, not very much. But for selling, what we will do? Selling, if it opens little gap up and any single candle which is negative for me, which shows a negative price action, I will happily sell it with my full quantity, and target will be also good. at this level. So this will be why this I am telling, because if you see from the after the fall of this big candle here, in at least in bank nifty, it has recovered almost 11,200 points, sorry, 1100 1200 points. So for this reason, my thinking is that it might again come, there has to be a small profit booking at this stage. So in tomorrow's session, this will be the plan. If you have understood the logic, if you have understood what to trade, if you're liking the video, please do subscribe the video, channel, and also share the channel with your friends. Thanks a lot.